Linking your bank to QuickBridge is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to connect your bank account seamlessly. Step 1. Log into your QuickBridge account. Start by visiting the QuickBridge website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to bank settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Bank Settings section, find the option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save All Link button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you can manage your finances more effectively with QuickBridge. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support for assistance.